Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a product listing on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your name where you can check out your account settings, billing, email notification, purchases, logout. We have your store details, which you can see here, and we have your marketing details, which you can see down here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a product listing on Sellfy. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So as you can see, make the most of your free trial in 4 steps. So my store, it hasn't been customized yet. Where I have the add your product button here, where I can click on add my project. Here we have digital products, print on demand. So digital products are upload ebooks, music, videos, software, anything digital. We have print on demand where you can go and click on sell custom printed t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more where managing printing and shipping. We have subscription, selling subscriptions enable to sell regularly delivered products with recurring payments. Physical products, we can add t-shirt, books, art, merchandise, and any other product that requires shipping. And we also have the freebie, add a product teaser or basic version of your premium product to give away for free. Click on the one you want and add the product. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.